In this video, I will show you how to create AI images in Gemini. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is come across to google.com and just do a quick Google search for Gemini AI, just like so. And what you want to do is click onto the top result. The official website is gemini.google.com. So it should look something like this. Now, when you come across to here, you're going to see a chat with Gemini button. Give that a click. And what it's going to do is going to come up with a quick permission like this. What you want to do is click on choose Gemini. And then it's going to take you to a screen like this. Now make sure at this point you are logged in with your Google account. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, you can see I'm currently logged in, but if not, you'll have the option to log in. To create an image, it's absolutely free. You don't need a pro plan or anything like that. You can do this for free. And all you need to do is simply click under here, underneath the text box where it says create image. Now what you need to do is describe your image. So basically you just want to prompt what your image to be. And you can make this as basic or as detailed as you want to. For myself, I've just put a cartoon superhero flying through the sky, but of course you can elaborate on that further. For example, you could choose the colour you want your superhero to be, or if you want the sky to be night or day, and so on and so forth. But for this example, I'm just going to keep it very basic, just to show you how this works. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is click the arrow here, which says submit, and then just give it a couple minutes, and it's going to start to generate your image. Here we are. As you can see, our image has now been generated. So what we can do at this point, you can give it a click. It's going to open up the image like this, and if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see you're going to be able to download this onto your PC. You can also copy the image and share the image from here using the tools in the top right hand corner. Now if you want to make any changes to your picture, if you just come and click onto the arrow in the top left hand corner, and all you want to do is basically put your image changes into the box down here. So for example, let's say I wanted to change the cape to be a green color and I wanted the sky to be at nighttime. So what I would do is type that into here. So as you can see, I've just asked, can you make the cape green and put a nighttime sky? So once you've put your changes, just again click onto the submit button down here. And as you can see, after a minute or two, we now have our changes applied. So we've got our green cape and we've got our nighttime sky in addition to the original image. Of course, all you would do then, again, is just give it a click to open the image up. And again, you can download this, share this, copy this, and of course, make any further changes if you need to. So that's how to create an AI image with Gemini. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping to upload a video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.